Did you know that you can earn over $250 daily with Google Translate and CPA Grip? This is an absolutely free method to make money online. Hey guys, welcome to Digital Dollar Central. Are you fed up with the same old grind and looking for a fresh, powerful way to make some serious cash online? What if I told you there's a method to earn over $250 per day using nothing but Google Translate and CPA Grip? Sounds too good to be true, right? But stick with me to the end, because in this video, I'm revealing an absolutely free, step-by-step guide that you can follow to start earning from anywhere in the world as long as you have a PayPal account. Ready to change your life? Let's get into it. Alright, let's break this down step by step. Now, what the heck is CPA Grip? CPA Grip is your golden ticket to making money online. It's a killer platform where you promote offers and get paid for each lead or sale. Imagine raking in cash just by driving traffic to high payout offers. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's real and ready for you. First off, sign up and snag those high-paying offers. Head over to CPA Grip and sign up for an account. Once you're in, hunt down those high payout offers. Focus on offers targeting European countries, like France. Trust me, they come with juicy commissions that you don't want to miss out on. Hack the language barrier with Google Translate. Here's where it gets spicy. Use Google Translate to convert your promotional content into different languages. This simple trick lets you tap into untapped markets with less competition. Imagine the profits rolling in from French-speaking audiences lapping up your high-paying offers. Unleash Traffic at Bar for massive traffic. Now, let's talk traffic. Traffic at Bar is a beast of a platform that can flood your affiliate links with over 1,000 visitors every 3 days for free. Use it wisely, and watch as those visitors turn into cold, hard cash. Skyrocket your engagement. To maximize engagement, make your affiliate links short and sweet. Don't forget to post on French classified ads websites to reach a broader audience. This move can seriously pump up your chances of scoring those hefty commissions. And there you have it guys, a simple yet insanely effective method to make money online using Google Translate and CPA Grip. Follow these steps, start promoting your affiliate links, and get ready to watch those commissions roll in. If you found this video helpful, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more epic tips and tricks on making money online. Remember, the power to earn money online is right at your fingertips. Take action today and kickstart your journey towards financial freedom. You've got this. Customize this method to fit your style and target audience, and get ready to see those earnings explode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See.